Welcome back to Artis IVF. Today we will look at how to create patient appointments. We are currently on the dashboard page. Click on the menu icon and select Appointments. Here we can see the doctors available. Select the doctor for the appointment. Select the time slot of the appointment. Fill out the details of the patient, including name, mobile number, email, gender. Select the reason for the appointment. Let's select New Consultation. Select the mode through which the appointment is booked. Click on Schedule. We have successfully scheduled the appointment. In case we have to edit the appointment to change time or any other details, click on the three dots here and change the time slot and save. Now we have successfully updated the appointment. In case we have to cancel the appointment, then we click on the three dots again and click on Cancel. Give the reason of cancellation and add any comments if needed. We have successfully canceled the appointment. In case if we have to book an appointment for a future date, we can select the date from the calendar on top and then select the time slot and follow the same process as discussed before. When the patient comes for the appointment, we will click on the three dots and change the status of the appointment to reported. By now, we have successfully understood how to work with appointments in Artis IVF. Thanks for watching.